All right, we've got an old school Chevy S-10 here. Big thick tires on the back. So it should be a great race. And you know, we're gonna go ahead and try to spin the tires in the water. Because why not? Beautiful. Dude, that's going really well. I don't even think I need to stick it in drag mode. I probably just can't keep burning them the way I would in drag mode. This will be fun. The truck looks fast. Oh God, the truck's fast. Whoa! He got me on the launch. He got me on the launch for sure. All right. That was a good race. Yeehaw, baby. Whoa! Look, that's the end of the road. Great launch on that car, man. All right, you guys, here are the number for the S-10. It looks like he did jump the light. I couldn't jump the light if I wanted to today because of traction control and the computer just withholding power due to lack of grip. But we did clear 9.5 and we got a 9.499 at 148. Reaction time could be better. I'm gonna blame the car 100%. 60 foot 1.5. I think we're usually in the 1.4 territory. So it is what it is. The car, I mean, listen, I could possibly just switch over to all seasons just for the sake of saving some money and having fun at the track. I mean, do I really need to run a 9.2? I'm not doing anything overly competitive here, but it's a good time.